Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme P1 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. As you can see, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the volume up and power key, and now slide down to power off. Okay, now after it, press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key. It might take few seconds. Keep pressing it. As you can see, it will send you in language selection. Now select your language and it will send you in Android recovery. As you can see, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Here go to format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 0464. As you can see, the code is 0464. Enter it, 0464, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. Wiping, please wait. And as you can see, data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme P1 Pro 5G smartphone easily.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.